Hey, what's up? This is Matt from GoTherics. In this video, I want to go over supine cane external rotations. We're going to use this one to mobilize the shoulder, specifically to mobilize rotation. So we're going to be using a PVC here. At home, you may have a dowel from just a dowel sitting around, or maybe you have a broomstick. We call it canes because a lot of people will have a cane, but we want something that's long that we can then use to put one end into the palm of this hand. So I'm going to then go back onto my mat in a supine position, hook lying with my knees bent. I want to flatten my back so that I'm not doing any of the rotation at my lumbar. And then I'm going to put the end of my cane, or my PVC in this case, into the palm of this hand. I'm going to tuck the elbow in beside my ribs, and my back is flat, and I'm going to then pull and rotate that out, pushing it towards the ground. That's my stretch. And then I release. Then I bring it around and release. I'm going to feel some tension here, maybe on the front of the shoulders, quite often where you feel it as you go into that rotation here. And that's what we're looking for, is that stretch. Now, an error we see a lot with people is where they hold the cane or PVC too high and they end up pushing here. Notice with this is I'm just extending my elbow. That's not what we're looking for. We want rotation, so I have to bring it down a little bit, kind of bring it up and over so I get that rotation feeling and that tension feeling in my shoulder, versus here where I'm just extending the elbow. We tend to do this for about 20 to 25 times on each shoulder, and because we want to make sure we're not just focused on the one that we are feeling the pain and are injured, but also make sure we're loosening the other as well. Thanks.